This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to show you how to manage owners in syndicates, in particular where the syndicate wants to be kept informed of all the communications and updates of the horses, but they want the trainer to bill the owners directly. So you need to basically add all of the syndicate owners in based on their percentage, which is what we've done here with this horse trembling. And then you also need to add in the actual syndicate, the syndicate owner, as a 0% share, so they won't get billed unless of course they have a percentage, in which case you add a percentage in here. And then this will save the syndicate manager in here as the guy gets all the communications, and then all of these ones in here get, because they're a percentage owner, they get the bills. But we also need to go through each one and just make sure that we turn off all of the reports, so they won't get any reports. They'll get all the reports from the syndicator, but they will get all of the bills. So it's a little bit of work, but it does the job. So you can see here they'll still get the account, they'll still get the 25%, and the syndicate owner here is just in there as another. So they'll get all of the nominations and acceptances, acceptances, results of the media and reports, and the owners will get all of the invoices. So if you just have a look at that, you can see trembling at an expense. Let's call it so click save. Close and sync to 0. So you can see here that the system has now created invoices for only those owners for the management fee, split up based on their percentage. And you'll also see that those invoices have been created in here as well, in 0, for those owners. So that's how you split up the communications and the invoicing for syndicators. If you've got any other questions on that, please don't hesitate to get in contact. You can email us at support@prism.horse.